Today in this video I show you how to enable full screen picture for incoming calls on iPhone. For this you have to open settings. Now scroll down and go to apps. Scroll down to find phone. Open phone. Find incoming calls. Click on it. Select full screen. Now go back. Open phone app. Select the contact to add full screen picture. Click on edit. Tap on add photo. Now click on photos. Select photo library. Add the picture you want. Now adjust your picture. Click on three dots to check out features like adjusting size, change font and color. After this, click on done. Tap on this check mark. Again click on done. Now again tap on check mark. You can see full screen picture is added on this contact. And when I receive a call from this contact, full screen picture will show like this. So this is how you can enable full screen picture for incoming calls on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.